So these are all the line commands that can be used either in the previous member or PS. So insert new line. Insert n new lines. Repeat a line. Repeat a line. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Repeat a line
Yes, sir.
n times. Repeat group of lines. So repeat group of lines n times. So then copy a line after or before another line, and then so copy n lines after or before another line. Copy group of lines after or before another line. So copy a line after or before another line. Copy n number of lines after or before another line. Copy group of lines after or before another line. Similarly, move move a line before or after another line. Okay. Then move n lines similarly here. Move group of lines. Move group of lines after or before another line. So delete a line. Delete n lines. Delete group of lines. So LC, lowercase translation. Translate line into lowercase. This one, translate n lines into lowercase. Translate group of lines into lowercase. Same as uppercase translation. So translate a line into uppercase. Already given in your GOS documentation. Yeah, See here. Are given here. Uppercase translation, translate a line into uppercase, translate n lines into uppercase, and then this one, translate a group of lines into uppercase. And then this one, what about this?
Right.
Yeah, move uh, code or data. Okay. Move a line right side by 2 columns. Move a line right side by n columns. This may not be much useful. And move right side line right side group of lines. Group of lines right side by 2 columns, same as group of lines left side by n columns. At the same time, we have
Sir,
a
right side.
left side.
Last one was right side, sir.
Sorry, right side. And this one is the left side. This is left side. Move a line left side and left side. So it's all about a line commands. Let's see the command level commands. Let's see the command level. Please go to the mute. What are the line commands in a member of PDS or PS? These are all the line commands. Then, so what are command level commands within the member?
Cut, paste.
Very good. Within a member of PDS. First of all, find a string. Find a string. Okay. F string. Then if you want to keep touching it, F5, 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 F5. We've already seen this, F5. So change a string 1 to string 2. Yes, you understand? So change emp file to in file. See string 1 space string 2. If you have any spaces in between, you need to put the thing in the quotes like this. Okay. If you have any spaces, but here I don't have any spaces. Okay. No problem. Don't have spaces, still you can go with the quotes. So F6, 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 F6. That is the change. Repeat the change. Repeat the find is F5. Repeat the change is F6. Then save. If I'm in the edit mode, for example, you can also use change all. In all the places it is changed. Either change string 1 to string 2 or change all. So in that case, you need not give F6. It is changed in all the places. Okay. Now save. I want to save it. Save. Cancel. Don't save the changes. For example, now I want to change the infile 1 to infile to infile 1. Change all infile to infile 1. Change all infile to infile 1. But I don't want these changes. In that case, cancel. CAN, cancel. See that I changed the change infile to infile 1. But let's see whether it's there or not. It's not saved. So cancel. Save means it will be saved. Cancel means the changes will not be saved. Okay. Cancel. Save. Cancel. And submit. If it is a JCL, we can submit a JCL sub command. Do you understand? Find a string, change a string, save, cancel, submit. Let me find, is there anything missing? Yeah, cut, paste. Cut and paste. If you want to cut a particular piece of code, cut and paste. Here, I want to cut this line of piece of code. Cut. And I want to paste in the other member. I want to paste it here. Paste. So cut and paste. Find a string, change a string, save, cancel, submit, cut, paste. Okay. Sometimes we go into the view mode. And we make changes. For example, I want to change infile to infile 1. Changed it, but I want to save it now. Is it possible in the view mode? Is it possible to save the changes in the view mode?
No, sir.
But if you simply press F3, it won't be saved. But if you use a command, for example, change all infile to infile 1. Now, if I want to save it, even though I'm in the view mode, with a special command I can save it. repl .zdf.zdl. That means replace from first line to last line. zdf means first line, zdl means last line. With another member name called read1. Same member. Replace from this point to this point with this member name. So this is one of the important command. Sometimes we go into the view mode and we save the changes. Member name. Okay. Here I'm using it. I saved it in the view mode. Let's see whether it's saved or not. Is it saved or not? Is it saved or not?
Yes, sir.
So we can also save in the view mode, but not with simple press F3 save command, but it is with a replace command, repl command. Okay. Find a string, change the string 1 to string 2, save the changes, cancel the changes, submit. Okay, for execution, submit a JSL for execution. Only JSLs can be submitted, not the COBOL programs. Cut a piece of code, paste the piece of code, and then replace it. Okay. And refresh, we can reset. Like, for example, I have a columns. I want to see the columns. So if I reset, 1 second, not this one, change all, in file to in file 1. So it will show you all the changes here. Here it is changed. You can see that. There and all it's changed. You can see that. Okay. But I don't want to see all this. In that case, reset. Okay. This is not much useful. Or is reset. Means you need not see about the changes. Okay. And this information about the changes and all. Information about the changes. Okay. Reset. Yeah. Leave it. It's not much useful. Next, yeah, these are enough. These are enough. Find a string, change a string, save, cancel, submit, cut, paste, replace. And very important thing, if you want to go up, what's the command? What is the function key?
F7, sir.
What is the,
F7.
F7.
go down.
F8.
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 So F9 is for
F9 for
Swap.
swap.
swap
Swap,
between,
sir.
Yeah, swap. Swap. See that swapping between two screens. Okay. So what are command level commands within a member of a PDS? And you can see here, these are all the places where these are the members I viewed, correct? These are all the members I viewed. Now you want to see, like, what are all the members I viewed? I can put a cursor on the prompt in a member list. I can place a cursor on the prompt and I can hit enter. So what are the members I viewed? If I refresh it, it will be lost. It will be lost. Let me show you. And very important command is here. That is, yeah, of course, we can also use a find, for example, pgm1 like this, or else locate pgm1. Now let's see command level commands in the member list. What are command level commands? What are command level commands in the member list? Means this is a member. This is a member list, correct? This is a DS list. In 3.4, if you give a dataset name here, okay, let me come back again. So equal to 3.4. I'm giving a dataset name here and hitting enter. It is giving a list of the datasets with that name. So this is called a DS list. Once you go into the DS list in the PDS, okay, we can see member list. Okay, do you see that? So name, prompt, size, created, changed, ID. Like this, we have all these columns. So by default, it is sorted on the name. But if I want to sort on a size, if I want to sort on a created date, place a cursor here and enter. If I want to sort on a size, place a cursor here and enter. If I want to see last changed members, okay. If I want to see on a user ID, so by default, sort is on a name of the member, but we can also sort on a other columns. So first of all, the important command is a locate program name, locate member name, locate program name. If it is not sorted on a, if it is sorted on a member name, then only you can use a locate. Refresh it. By default, it's on a name. So now locate pgm1. So locate member name. Find member name. Okay, locate member name, find a member name. Then refresh the member list. For example, if you copy it, if you delete it, for example, if I delete this one, it is deleted, but it's still showing it here. It's deleted. Can you see that? It's still showing it. So refresh it to get the latest list. Refresh the member list. I rename, if I delete, okay, we have to refresh it. Then important command is this one. Search srch for src. For example, I want to know where and all occurs occurs. That's called arrays in the COBOL. Occurs. I want to know where and all the occurs clause is used in the COBOL in these programs. It is found here. It's here. It's here. Can you see that, guys? It's found in the different places. So if I want to bring all these found into one place, what I do? Place the cursor on a prompt and hit enter. So these are all the elements where the occurs clause is, the string occurs is found. And this is used very much in the applications. srch for string name, for a string, okay? srch for a string. Yes, do you understand? I have a source program, source library. I want to know like how to use the files, how to use a select statement. Example, how to use a select statement to use a files in the COBOL program. We have to use a select statement. So search for select statement. Search for select statement. Found in many places. Place the cursor on a prompt and hit enter. So that in all these programs I am using a select statement. So open any of the program and check it whether the select is placed or not. Yes, here we have a select. Here we have a select. Instead of opening every member and finding the string, I can search the entire library. Do you understand? srch for search for a string. Okay. Yeah, that's all about the line commands here. We can use a sort actually. Sort by name, or sort by prompt. For example, srch for occurs. Now I want to sort on a prompt. Or else simply place the cursor on these columns and then okay, enter. Either you place the cursor here and enter. For example, I want to sort on size. Sort size. Why should I type sort and size? I place cursor here and I enter. I place cursor here and enter. I place cursor here and enter. It is easy. So placing a cursor and hitting enter is much easier than writing a sort and then giving that column name. So I want to know like the last changed date, the latest modified programs. So that 10/20. This is modified today, and this is also modified. This is modified 3 days back. You can see like this, guys. Hope you understand this.
Sir, can we see it in a descending order too?
I don't think so. No, only ascending order. Let me see. Sort, changed. No, only ascending order. No descending order. Only ascending order. Okay, sort the name. sort on prompt, sort on size. Okay. So better we use sort on name or prompt or the columns size
Yet
Yes.
created
Change.
change and ID. So these are all the sorts available. We can sort the members on this. Okay, name, prompt, size, created, change, or ID. Yeah. So I hope you understand this. But you need to have a practice. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
in the prompt when we see moved,
Mm-hmm.
so can we able to find the location by just going with the mood, or else we need to?
No, we can't see where it is moved. We can't see.
Okay.
We can't see to where it is moved. You are only moving it, right? But we can't see it after that. It will say that what are all the members that are moved, what are all the members that are copied, what are all the members that are renamed. We can see that, but we can't see to where it is moved. Okay, those information we cannot see.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, especially that prompt is useful in one situation. Search for a string. That's the only place we use it. Search for a string, and it is there in the multiple members, and it's on different places. Here it is there. Here it is there. But I want to bring all this into at one location, like this. This is the only place we use a prompt. Okay.
We can use the search for the file name also, right, sir?
Yes, of course. By default, file name, the member name.
Okay.
By default, no. Search for a file name. SRCH for a string, any string within the members. For example, search for accept. There is a keyword accept. I want to know like how to use the accept statement in the COBOL program. There are a lot of programs available. I want to know in what programs the accept statement is used. In all these places, the accept is used. Same thing. Same thing. One second, I'll come back. Same thing we can use with a 3.14. 3.14. Here, you like accept, and then give dataset name here. Demo dot COBOL, and within the bracket star. Now, it's also searching the same. In all these members, the accept is placed. But here it is showing what accept statement it is, but there it is listing the members. It is listing the members. Almost similar. Here. Let's come back here. What is the first element? I don't know why it is showing here. Okay, I think there it is taking a, here it is taking a capital case, but here it's taking both capital and lower case. No problem. Bonus one, see that? In bubble sort, this is a program. Then calc, EHAR, OC1. So all these members are found here. So that's the reason normally we don't go for a search for 3.14. We don't go for 3.14. Instead of that, we can use that in the search for syntax in the 3.4 itself. Do you understand?
Can you repeat it, sir?
See, instead of going to 3.14 and search a string, we can directly search that string in the PDS itself. in 3.4 itself. See here, I'm going to the PDS. I'm using srch for. Okay, I accept. Found here. Then why should I go to 3.14 to search this string? When there is an option available here in 3.4, we use it here itself. For example, I want to delete a data set. I can give us D here. Why should I go for 3.2? Of course, I can also do with the 3.2. If I want to see the information of the data set, I use I. So the same thing can be achieved with a 3.2. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if the option is available in 3.4, we use it there itself. We don't go to the other places. Yeah, actually, all these concepts, what I taught till now, okay, no faculty is teaching all this. It's all taught in the lab, okay, taught by the lab faculty. But here I'm teaching all this and I'm writing all this question and answers. You have to practice it, and I've given a GOS documentation. Just go through that. Okay, let's see the options available in the mainframe. Let's see the options available in the mainframe. Hold a minute. Hold a minute. Guys, give me 5 minutes of break. I got another requirement. Okay, just 5 minutes of break.